Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 6th of September 2020 question. Question number 4. If root of the quadratic equation x square minus 64x plus 256 equal to 0 are alpha comma beta, then alpha cube divide beta 5 whole 1 by 8 minus beta cube this plus beta cube divide alpha 5 whole 1 by 8 is equal to what? Four options are given. This is the question in the house of quadratic equation and it's a memory based question. At first our given quadratic equation is x square minus 64x plus 256 is equal to 0 here, and the question gives the root of this equation is alpha beta. So sum of these roots is equal to minus b by a, that is 64, and product of the root is 256 here, c by a. So now the given expression is alpha cube by beta to the power 5 whole 1 by 8 plus beta cube by alpha to the power 5 whole 1 by 8. So now break this expression power wise. So we get alpha to the power 3 by 8 divide beta to the power 5 by 8 plus beta to the power 3 by 8 divide alpha to the power 5 by 8. So HCF is equal to, here we get alpha beta whole to the power 5 whole to the power 5 by 8 whole to the power 5 by 8. So 5 by beta to the power 5 by 8, beta to the power common here, so here we get alpha to the power 3 by 8 into alpha to the power 5 by 8 means plus 5 by 8, and beta to the is same here, 3 by 8 into beta to the power 3 by 8, that is plus 5 by 8. So the numerator becomes alpha plus beta and denominator is alpha beta whole 5 by 8. So we know this the two result as alpha plus beta is equal to, given here we know 64 and it is 256 whole 5 by 8. So it is 64 divide 2 to the power 8 into 5 by 8, so 2 to the power 5, so it is 64 divide 2 to the power 5 means 32, so here we get 2. So we reached 2 is our required answer, and the option is option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution. Now some information about quadratic equations. So at first we want to know the polynomial expression here. So at first, what is polynomial expression? Polynomial expression. So what is polynomial expression? So polynomial expression is polynomial of degree n with one variable. So at first, that is we just write down polynomial of degree n with one variable, So if the expression is an x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 it is a2 x to the power square a1 x to the power 1 plus a0. So where an is not equal to 0. So here an not equal to 0. If we put 0, then it become an if we put 0, then the expression become an equation, converted to an equation. So if putting that equation is equal to 0, then it become an polynomial equation. Then it become the polynomial equation. So at now the two things arise that if we take the power of this. Now number one thing it is which is arise that number one, value of x that satisfy the equation. What equation? The equation a to the power n x to the power n plus a to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 a2 x square plus a1 x1 a plus a0 is equal to 0. If the value of x satisfy the equation are called roots of polynomial. And number two is every polynomial of degree n has n roots. So every polynomial of n degree, if that polynomial as a degree is n, then it is if it is n degrees, then then the root of the equation is n here. So now move on to the quadratic equation. Now move on to the quadratic. Now we move on at the quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation? If the polynomial has second degree, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the equation called it is quadratic equation. And the roots of this equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Here d is equal to b square minus 4ac. And what is d? We called we called D is equal to discriminant of quadratic discriminant of quadratic equation. So what is D? D is the b square minus 4ac, this term, under root term, and it is called the discriminant of quadratic equation. So here is some idea, basics idea of quadratic equation, polynomial expression, and the solution of the JEE question. So any question, any query about this chapter and this problem, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.